So something that I commonly see, or uncommonly see in bug out bag videos is the lack of first aid supplies. This kind of defeats the whole purpose of a bug out bag, since you can't really consider yourself prepared if you're not prepared for injury. If you've taken a walk through the woods before, then you'll know how easy it is to trip over and cut yourself, whether it be over an exposed tree root or even just getting your foot caught down a rabbit hole. If you cut yourself in a woodland environment, or any environment for that matter, then it's pretty safe to say that the wound will get infected, and that is bad times. So let's have a quick look through my very professional and expensive medical box. First of all, we got some disposable gloves. Now you need some disposable gloves if you're ever going to treat a wound. You need to protect yourself and your patient from harmful bacteria that both of you may be carrying. For you it will be on your hands and your fingers, for them it might be in their blood. You need to protect yourself from that. Next up we got some just crap bandages, just little ones from Asda. You know, they'll do the job. Don't need to go mad on bandages since, you know, you're not going to a war zone. And here we've got some just general antibiotics. You know, it will help treat infection. They're not the best in the world. Then we've got some Ibuprofen, also useful for my girlfriend when she's on her period. And here we've got some Tcp Antiseptic Liquid. If you don't have disposable gloves, then you can get away with just pouring some of this on a wound. You know, this really does clean out wounds. It smells disgusting though, but who cares about that? We've got an assortment of Band-Aids, big, small, whatever. Now we've got some antiseptic wipes. Again, you know, if you don't want to pack gloves, you want to travel light or something, then just take some wipes, you know. It will defend you and your patient from, you know, spreading dirt and shit in wounds. And in this foil, I've got quite a substantial bag of sugar and salt, you know, as sort of emergency rehydration. You know, get those electrolytes back in. If I'm dehydrated, just pour some in water, and you know, I'll be good to go after about an hour. And then we've got some antihistamine bite and sting cream, because you know, if you're going to camp out in the woods, you're going to get stung by something. We've got some anti-constipation tablets. Looking back at this video, I realise I've got quite a lot, so you know, I'll take that out when I come to it. We've got some diarrhea tablets. You know, that's probably the most common thing you'll get, since infection, dysentery, dirty water, all that rubbish. Pair of scissors, you know, pretty standard medical item. And now in this Benson and Hedges very professional looking med kit, I have my sort of more compact and lightweight version, you know, put in a drop leg pouch or something like that, you know, slip in the inside pocket of my coat. And in here we got antiseptic wipes, mainly because I'm not carrying gloves, so I want to, you know, create a barrier in between the patient and myself. I've got a lot of antiseptic wipes. And, you know, just the same stuff that I had in the big med kit: painkillers, diarrhea relief, constipation relief, a few antibiotics, all that good stuff. Also a toothbrush, because I don't like the feeling of having an unwashed mouth, you know, that's just me. It makes me feel dirty, it makes me want to do anything. So yeah, but that's just me being a weirdo. Got a little can opener in here. I like to keep all the little bits and bobs in one place, you know. If I was going to put that alone in my bug out bag, I'm going to lose that. It's going to take a while to find. Got some tweezers, you know, woodland area, you're going to get splinters. You need some tweezers. Also, if you want to pluck your eyebrows if you're a pretty boy. So that's basically it. Also got a few razor blades in there, you know, maybe if I want to shave. You know, got to keep up this beautiful face while I'm out there, you know. Might run into some bird, some nomad traveller girl, but whatever. That covers your basic first aid medical kit. I'm not saying this is the best med kit in the world, but as long as you have a way to stop bleeding, treat infection, and relieve pain and sickness, then it's all good in the hood. It's all about what you need and what caters to your needs.